If your drain is slow or completely blocked, don't panic. No need for expensive chemicals or calling a plumber. This trick works like magic. You want to grab your ingredients. Number one pack of baking soda. Number two, white vinegar. And the third one is boiling water. First, pour the entire pack of baking soda directly into the drain. Make sure it goes in as deep as possible. Now, slowly pour in the vinegar and watch the reaction. You will see it bubble and fizz. That is the baking soda breaking down grease, grime and build up inside the pipe. So when you do this, you let it sit for about 20 minutes. This gives the solution time to work. It is magic. While we wait, we boil a pot of water. Once 20 minutes are up, carefully pour the boiling water down the drain to flush out everything. And just like that, your drain is clean and clear. If you do this once a month, you will keep your pipes free from grease, soap, scum, and buildup, helping you to avoid costly clogs in the future. I hope these tips helps you keep your kitchen and bedroom pipes flowing smoothly. If you find this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home hacks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Ciao.